Let's jump right into this video. We have Zoe Saldana. She is the big winner of the night, and she also brought it to the red carpet in this black and chocolate look. She looks so pretty in this strapless sequin gown. And then we have Sheryl Lee Ralph. She knows how to work a red carpet with Miss Wine strapless gown. And next we have her peer, Janelle James, also in a strapless black gown. Love her to pieces, love her hair. Then there's Anna Sawawi. I believe that this is one of the most modern dresses that I saw last night on a red carpet. Pretty, I think the color complements her skin. And then we have Sharon Stone. I actually chose this picture because this is actually one of the colors of the year, pea green. And then of course Zoe Kravitz, strapless, elegant, black. Look at the back with the bow. She's gonna give you, she definitely knows how to work the camera. And I just chose this couple because I love the colors that they chose as a couple on like a date night. I think that was really cute. Then we have Katie Holmes in this princess ball gown with the fitted bodice. Looks so pretty. And then we have Nava Ma in this goddess like drape drop west black dress. Then we have Eddie Redmayne in this checkered suit. I just wish that he would have chosen a black shirt versus this color. Next we have Jodie Foster. I really don't ever see her really feminine, so I see it now, so I added her as well. And then Demi Moore. I love the dress. I just wish it was a different color, like black. And how can you go wrong with The Rock? He's cool. He's my uncle. I know him. I love him. And then Andrew Garfield. He's killing it with this suit. I love this suit so much. Maybe it's the color. I don't know. I love it. Perfect tailoring. Everything. Then we have Zendaya. Do I need to say any more? Miley Cyrus. She's been doing her thing for a few years now, and I love her cutout spaghetti strap dress. Love it to death. And then next, Nicole Kidman. I really wasn't feeling this dress until I actually saw the back. And Nicole has got a little like on the skinny side, right? Like, And then we have Michelle Yeoh. I love the high collar on this dress and also the color. And then next is one of my favorites, Naomi Watts. I love the color and this baby pink, very modern take. Then we have Viola Davis. I didn't like the iridescent on this dress, but I love the dress just without the iridescent. And then Ashley Graham, she's gonna always be sexy. She knows her body. You hear me? And then we have Cynthia Erivo. I love this look. I feel like something is missing, but I love it. It is one of my favorites as well. And then Selena Gomez. Oh, just like Jackie Kennedy Onassis, right? And then next we have Daniel Craig. I just love that it was just a simple black suit, nice look. And then Morris Chestnut. I wish that he would have had this suit on, not that suit, but nice. And then Aqua, like no tailoring. Like you have too much money to not have no tailoring. And then Adam Brody. I love this color. I just wish he'd have done something to his hair. Like what? And then Anthony Ramos. This is a great example when the color just does not compliment you at all. And then I don't need to say anything. I don't need to say anything else, right? Nothing, right? And then like I don't need to say anything. I love her to pieces, but I'm not getting it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I thought that this was fun. I love the Golden Globes. Obviously, I love fashion. I've seen better looks in the previous years, but I still, enjoyed this year's Golden Globes. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.